Tick tock. I got the soccer ball. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ooh, hot, that burns. Ooh, hot, that burns. Rose. I got the ball. I got the ball. I got the ball. Rose. Whoa.
The hell was that? Well, it's raining. Just leaving. Another satisfied customer who doesn't need any introduction. But now it's time to go home. Of course, as a rule, when you're in Selkirk, you have to stop over here at the upper crust. Get all the goodies, especially these things. And of course, apple cinnamon bread. It's always a given. And I might be having hamburgers later today, so got some hamburger buns as well. So there you go. Got turnovers and everything there. Everything you can think of. Anyways, see you later. Gotta drive. Ooh, sure is windy out here. Gal 5625. It's kind of missing a few things. Be a bit of a project. I don't know if I should scoop it or not. Try to, or see how much it goes for. I got the coupler there at least, and a couple other things, but everything else is in a big box. The engine apparently is screwed, but there she be. Drive shafts there, both of them, T-case. Need the brakes. Suspension looks okay. Inside of the box is decent. That's all I really want. Oh, smell-o-vision. Oh, got the tilt. Could use that on the C10. But she's very, very mousy. Oh. Well, it's kind of bending the wrong way. Whatever. Frame's there. No engine, no tranny, which is fine. Won't need that anyway. Pretty rusty. That box size is okay. Just a little bit there. Frame isn't blown out, that's good. Gas tank's still in it. Needs a tailgate. All in all, not too shabby. Holy wind. Needs some rust repair. Probably needs a full set of brakes, tires, cracking a bumper, no big deal. Well, doesn't smell like mouse. That's good. And look, the windshield's good. Oh yeah. Power windows, automatic, stereo. The thing I don't know is if this is a V6 car or not. The door hasn't been open and closed in a while. Takes a bit to close it. Fenders are good. Doors are still pretty good. And apparently this thing has about 123,000 K on it. Seats are good. And it's been in storage for a while apparently. No keys in it right now. That's okay. Needs a cleaning. Could use some new headlights. Now, where's the hood release? Oh, there it is, I think. Ah. I don't know if it's a 2.2 or 2.4. I just changed one of these. All in all, it doesn't look that bad. That'd be a good flipper. This one would be fun to play with. I think if somebody really wanted to, they could put it back on the road, but it's got its problems. It'd be a good bush beater though. It's all rusted underneath. Smacked. It's kind of beat up. Interior's nice though. Rag top. All in all, that would be a fun bush beater. Take it into a little bit buggy for yourself. And you got all these trucks here. One of these just has a salvage title on it. I do believe it's the other one. They're both just, you know, beat up farm trucks. So be good for a project or good flippers or whatever, but unfortunately they'll be way out of my price range for stuff like that. Won't be much meat on the bones, but they will sell. People are into this stuff, and then I'll let them deal with that. One of these, but like I said, one of these has just got a salvageable title on it, so it would have to go through the integrity and all that other BS. Man, it's windy out here. But yeah. Got an eye on a couple tractors. Got my eye on a couple tractors. That would do me more good than anything else in my yard. Yeah. Problem with these electric ones is you never know if they need batteries. Well, I'm pretty sure this will not fit in that skid steer, but still a John Deere engine. pretty universal. So this little guy. This old. It's got kind of fresh paint job on it. I tried to seal the back window up already. Added some finishing touches. Not the best, but to a floor in. Nice little table. Put some new paneling on. This obviously folds down to a bed. So refinish some of the cupboards here. Nice. All in all, not a bad little unit. The only thing I will say is, if you can see, the roof is going to need a little bit of work here. It's just folded down. So, that's probably the only downside to this unit. You can kind of see that from up here as well. For standing the dip, so a lot of stuff will collect up on there. Probably there was a lot of snow up there at one time. Door shuts. You can see all the brush marks here. Trying to fix whatever we're trying to fix here. But it's not really the unit for me, but it's good for somebody. Just kind of put it indoors during winter. So all in all, there's quite a bit of stuff here that looks kind of interesting, right? Some of the boats need to be redone, and you know, there's a big rig on the other side there. A couple trailers, you know, farm equipment, all the usual stuff you'd find in one of these auctions. But yeah, so there you go. I got my eye on a couple things, nothing too spectacular, nothing too big. I mean, we got some nice equipment right up here. That one doesn't have a bucket, so you'd have to get a bucket for that. Kubota's really nice, but it's like sitting up there right now. This thing here is it's a nice little unit. It's not sitting anywhere crazy right now either. We'll see what it goes for at the auction. Or not, yeah. So that's that. Pitter patter. Let's get the hell out of here.